Okay, this looks cute. Black nga lang, so tiis ganda. And I'm gonna wear this because I found my necklace. I thought it's missing. Alam ko nasa akin to. Hindi ko lang alam kung saang purse, kagamitan. Dito lang pala siya. Ito sa may vanity something. Cute. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is my fit. My shorts and ayan. This is my fit, guys. Wow. Sporty yarn. Ayan. Wala lang. Felt cute. Might add sa clip. Yay! Okay. First agenda. Papagawa. Because, ayan. Wala na yung, wala na yung, ang tawag dito. Ayan, wala na. Thank you po! Ayun na, secure na. First task. Task? PBB? Okay, 5K steps. Ayan. Woo! Meron pa. Ayan. I want. Lumpiang sariwa. So, ayan. Next food is yaw-yaw na pistachio sauce. One topping lang ako. Yung small lang to. 139. Ayan. Third food. Gusto kong try ito. Salted. Pero kailan yung expiration? Next year pa. 110. Let's see kung masarap pa rin. Ay, mga dati nag-trending. Okay, 110. Check ko nga yung iba. Ito, bayaran ko na. Guys, it's been a while. Finally, Belgian waffle. Ang bias ko is blueberry cream cheese. This is it. Sarap niya pa rin. Pero ang nipis niya na. Ayan, quick grocery muna tayo. So, I still have 101 sa aking splurge. So, I decided na kasi ang ataka dapat healthy. Paradise brand. Panibag. This is masarap. This is okay. Hinahanap ko yung dalagdag. sobra na yun. Okay, pauwi na ako. Pero, ipapabili pang shawarma ang Mother Nature. So, last day ng Luzon Fair. I'm gonna check it out. Let's see! Ayan. Aside from that, ayan. Very political. Buhaya. Nakaupo sa upuan. Get it? Get it, girl? Mas magandang position nito sa gitna. Para yung effect. Wow. Artist yarn. Is this art? Alam mo yung maganda siya. Parang cutesy-cutesy. But if you will look at it, anong ginagawa ng dalawa? Dito. Oh. Ganda. Ang galing nito. Picture, class picture. Kuhang-kuha yung sa mga mga old photos na nagka-moist na. Kakapanood ko nung season sa Only Murders in the Building. May something ganito. Yung ginawa ni ng character ni Cara Delevingne. It's giving Tarlac realness. Everything. The falls, monasterio, rice, talahib, corn, everything. Ang pahus ko pala, shucks. So, I'm here. Wait. Ayan. Ang gaganda, guys. I really love, browsing arts. Hindi ako ma-artsy, hindi ako marunong. But, I enjoy looking at this kind of arts. May papakita ko favorite so far. This is my favorite so far. Ang ganda niya. Parang edited na hindi. Ganda niya, oh. Kuhang-kuha yung yung light. Palabas. Ang ganda. As in. I love it. This is so good. Backpack, school uniform. But instead of school materials, merong gloves, hammer, skwala ba yan? Yung lagari. It is giving child labor. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Nice one, nice one. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Bamboo lamp. Paano ito ma-open? Ah, ayan. 350, I wanna buy. This is so cute. How much is this? 150. I'm done. Ang ganda, in fairness. And then, I love it na showcase nila yung different products of each municipality. Lesson na rin. And, ayan, learnings. And I bought a perfume from Anao. Ang nila doon is ilang-ilang. Yun yung main nila doon, product. So, here. So, I got myself a perfume. Okay, 270. I'm done. It's okay. Ang ganda ng mga At UB with sauce. And this is siya. Hi guys, quick update. I am home. And passport shawarma. Uwi ng kapatid ko from Pampanga. Ang oily ko, shucks. And then, nag-coke sila. So, I'm gonna get some. But at the same time, may water ako. Say hi to the vlog.
Na-enjoy ko yung mga birds. Tumatambay dito sa grills. So, parang may free, bird sanctuary or some, whatever, or bird watching.
Ayun, may nag-video kay sa amin. Tanghaling tapat. But look at this. So hot. Oh my gosh. It's so pink. Ang cute na pagkakahati. Oh, in fairness. I'm gonna peel this. Tikman natin. Kung maasim ba o matamis na siya. Maasim. Pero pwede na. Asin, pero pwede na. Atin lang katapat siguro nito.